This video is for the moments when life starts feeling dull, when your energy fades, your mind feels overloaded, and even simple happiness seems far away. You wake up tired, rely on caffeine just to function, and slowly realize that the excitement you once had for life has disappeared. There was a time when everything felt lighter. You enjoyed small moments, felt present, and didn't constantly feel mentally exhausted. But modern life slowly pulls us away from that state. Today, distractions are everywhere. Social media, endless videos, gaming, constant news updates, junk food, online validation, unhealthy habits, and quick entertainment are all fighting for our attention every second. And this isn't about judging anyone. Nobody is perfect. We all fall into unhealthy routines sometimes. The real problem is how easy it has become to stay trapped inside them without even noticing. Modern technology gives us comfort and convenience, but also overloads our minds. If you don't intentionally create balance, your focus, motivation, and mental clarity slowly disappear. That's why you need a reset, not to become a monk or completely disconnect from life, but to regain control over your mind, your habits, and your attention. A proper reset helps you reconnect with yourself. It brings back curiosity, calmness, creativity, and that feeling of truly experiencing life instead of just reacting to it. The reason this matters is because your brain always prioritizes whatever gives it the most stimulation. When your mind constantly receives fast dopamine from scrolling, binge-watching, junk food, or endless entertainment, normal life begins to feel boring. Simple activities like reading, learning, working toward goals, or even sitting quietly become difficult because your brain has adapted to constant stimulation. This is why dopamine detoxing can be powerful. When you reduce overstimulation, your mind slowly resets its baseline. Boredom becomes important again, because boredom is often where creativity, clarity, and self-awareness begin. Most people avoid silence and distraction-free moments because they feel uncomfortable. But when you finally sit with your thoughts, you begin noticing what truly matters to you. Over time, simple things start feeling enjoyable again. Walking outside feels refreshing. Conversations feel meaningful. Food tastes better. Music feels deeper. Your mind becomes lighter. You also start gaining clarity. Without endless noise entering your brain every day, you can finally think properly again. So here's the goal of this 30-day reset. Not perfection, not isolation. The goal is self-control, the ability to choose your actions consciously instead of acting on impulse. The first step is creating a strong reason to change, because motivation fades quickly if you don't emotionally connect to your future. Think honestly about where your current habits are leading you. What happens if nothing changes? Then imagine the version of yourself you could become if you improved your routines, health, focus, and discipline. That emotional contrast creates real motivation. The second step is removing overstimulation for 30 days. Reduce things like excessive social media, endless streaming, constant gaming, pornography, junk food, alcohol, or unhealthy substances, mindless entertainment. At first, this will feel uncomfortable, but discomfort is part of the reset process. You replace those habits with healthier behaviors. Exercise, walking, learning, building skills, spending time with people working on meaningful goals. And when boredom appears, don't run from it. Sit with it long enough for your mind to calm down. Another powerful habit is walking daily. Even 7,000 to 10,000 steps can improve energy, mood, digestion, sleep, and mental clarity. Walking also creates thinking space. Some of the best ideas appear when your mind is relaxed and away from screens. Exercise is another major part of the reset. When you physically feel stronger, your confidence, discipline, and mindset improve too. Strength training, home workouts, calisthenics, or even consistent cardio can completely change how you feel mentally and emotionally. Nutrition matters as well. Highly processed foods can leave you feeling sluggish, inflamed, and mentally drained without realizing it. A simple, clean diet for a few weeks can dramatically improve your focus and energy levels. Another important step is starting a meaningful project. Don't spend all your time consuming information. Create something. It could be a YouTube channel, a fitness transformation, learning a new skill, building a business, improving communication skills, writing, designing, anything that moves your life forward. You learn faster when you build instead of endlessly watching tutorials. And finally, reflect every night. Spend 10 minutes asking yourself, what went well today? What needs improvement? What should I focus on tomorrow? Reflection helps your brain process experiences, reduce mental clutter, and stay aligned with your goals. This entire reset works together. Less distraction clears your mind. Walking creates mental space. Exercise builds confidence. Better food improves energy. Projects create purpose. Reflection builds awareness. And slowly, life starts feeling alive again. You feel more focused, more calm, more motivated, more connected to reality instead of constantly escaping from it. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your life is pause, reset, and rebuild yourself with intention. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this.